Welcome back, folks. So we have another simple cocktail in that series of cocktails that we've been doing of a couple ingredients. This one's called the Bee's Knees. The Bee's Knees is attributed to the Ritz Hotel in Paris back in the 20s. And you got to think, there's a lot of things going on in the world in cocktails. You got prohibition, you've got all those things where women could drink out in public, all those cultural issues and changes that were going on. So, but you got to think, the Ritz in Paris in the 1920s must have been an incredible, bougie, great place to be. And this is a simple cocktail. First ingredient is honey syrup. Honey syrup is like simple syrup and all those other ones where it's equal portions of honey to water. We used half a cup of honey, half a cup water. Bring it to a boil, let it set for a minute, cool it down, and stick it in the fridge. Next, we have lemon juice. We squeeze our own lemons. I wish we had a lemon tree, but we live in Tennessee. You don't have lemon trees. Fresh lemon juice. And then lastly, the alcohol in the drink is, we're going to use a gin. This is the Botanist gin. Comes from Scotland, the island of Islay. It's made by Bruichladdich distillers. Great place. They care about the environment. They care about the stuff they're making. They're good to their people. And they were wonderful. We were there last summer, took a cocktail class from them. Can't say enough good things about Bruichladdich and the Botanist. So with that said, let's go ahead and make our cocktail. We're going to use not a mixing glass, but a shaker, because we got to shake up that honey pretty well. It's going to be 2 ounces of gin. Now, if you've got a favorite gin that isn't Botanist, use that. It doesn't matter. Use something that you can play with a little bit. Now, for the honey syrup, we're going to use, let me make sure, yep, half an ounce. So that's a sweetener. You could also back this off, add a little more depending on how much you wanted it, how sweet you liked it. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And we're going to shake it up. So these are single walled, meaning it's not like a Yeti or something like that. You can feel when the cocktail gets cold. If it's double walled, you can't feel that. So we're going to grab, hey, if you've ever watched the show, you know this is the brand Whiskey. This is a Nick and Nora glass. Has those angles on it. Into our glass we go. Fills it up nicely. And then for a garnish, remember your garnish should match something in the cocktail. So we've got a lemon peel here. So we're just going to float that on top right there. And there you have it, simple cocktail. I mean, that's as easy as they come. The Bee's Knees, give it a try. That's a solid cocktail. Cheers, folks. Stay safe. Enjoy.